Hi, Coco.
Hi, Jojo.
What is the best winter spot in your mind?
Well, I believe the best sports in winter is skiing. And the landscapes at ski resorts and in the mountains are incredibly beautiful.
I can imagine.
Oh, this weekend we're going to go skiing. So do you want to join me?
Of course, I love to.
Perfect. Then it's a deal.
Deal it is.
Wow, the snow is so beautiful, isn't it, Jojo?
Indeed, it is amazingly great fun. Thank you so much, Coco, for inviting me here.
Coco's Language Club. When we want to answer the question positively, we usually say yes at the beginning of the sentence. Although this little word yes, it looks short and simple, but it's being used every day in a huge variety of contents. But sometimes it's a bit repetitive if you always reply yes to someone. So today, let's have a look at the different ways of saying yes. And I hope it can liven up your English language conversations. First one, why not? Why not means there's no good reason not to do this action. It's often used to reply to suggestions and ideas for future plans or possibilities. Second one, you can also say, sounds good, or sounds perfect. It's a good idea, sounds perfect, sounds good. The third one, be my guest. This saying is more suitable when someone asks you to borrow something from you. For example, can I borrow your pen, please? Be my guest. The fourth, I guess so. The phrase I guess so expresses a reluctant yes. When you are saying yes, but you don't really want to say yes, or you are somewhat sad about the yes. For example, it's raining. Are you going to cancel the hiking plan? I guess so. The fifth, okie dokie. Okie dokie means okay. It's a slang version of saying yes. And here, dokie by itself does not mean anything at all. You would never use it except as part of okie dokie. For example, do you want to go out? Okie dokie. The sixth, sure, no problem. Used for saying that you can do something or you are happy to do something for somebody. For example, you can say, would you open the door for me, please? Sure, no problem. The final one, bring it on. People say bring it on to show that they are ready and eager to face a challenge or difficult situations. For example, are you ready to arm wrestle? Oh yeah, bring it on.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And if you like, please give me a thumbs up at any point during this video. And please leave your comments with a hello and tell us where you are watching this video from. I'd love to see how global our community is. See you next time.